have it. This is what I like to call my PB&J bowl, oatmeal bowl. So I just have banana, strawberries. This is like an organic strawberry jelly and some peanut butter, and it looks delicious. Alright guys, I'm at Chop Shop with Courtney. We got teriyaki chicken bowls. They're so bomb. So I have brown rice, avocado, carrots, broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts. What else? And she got hers with like everything, without everything, except for the rice and cauliflower and onion. Ew, you got onion. And then I got this kombucha. I've never heard of this flavor. Maca berry, delicious. Still trying to heal that gut. Yep. We're in, I almost said Steinmart. We're in World Market right now, which is, oh, I love that. These are many leggings, by the way, from Aloe. They're so cute. Aloe. Cute journals. Oh, cute. I love this. Look at this.
Oh, that is cute.
Alrighty, so we just got out TJ Maxx. Let's do a little haul. Let's show them what we got.
Okay, show 'em. I just tied my bag.
I didn't get much, but I got, this is really exciting. It's clinical strength active deodorant, but it's good for the sweatiness. All right, and then I got my doggy, my baby dog.
I got my baby dog.
I got her this little bow, and I just think she'll like it. I love that TikTok. It's just so
I
cute.
know.
And then I found, well, Courtney found it.
You should try it.
It's super cute tank top, sports bra sort of thing.
Yep.
And the back is really cute. It has like gold embellishments on it. Love it. It's $15.
You said the brand.
What is the brand? Spiritual Gangster. Oh.
I like that. I like the aesthetic of it.
Oh, look, I didn't even see that. Shine Your Light.
Well, that's cute.
Wow. Why is it on the inside?
Just so you remember putting it on. Mine is underneath your bag.
Oh. The car smells like chicken because Courtney has her chicken.
The chicken teriyaki bowl in here.
That was such a good bowl, by the way. And
Choppy Shop?
Choppy Shop. If you ever go there, get the teriyaki chicken bowl. No onions, no mushrooms.
Okay. So I got this huge soothing scented wipes for my baby dog.
My baby dog.
Just to clean her little toes, her nose, and
her toes, her nose,
and everything in between. And then I got a new oil diffuser that just came, and so I bought oils for it.
You didn't even say what they were. You're not a good vlogger.
Okay, so I got eucalyptus, lavender, and lemongrass oils for my oil diffuser. And then I got Argan and Vitamin E Nourishing Facial Oil.
If you guys want smooth skin, Vitamin E oil all the way.
Vitamin E, that's what she told me to do, so that's nice.
I put it on with my jade roller, and it's just a good time. Oh yeah, nail polish. Nail polish.
Just miscellaneous things.
Cutie cute. So we're gonna go back. I'm gonna make Courtney show me around. We should see if the gym's open.
Oh my god, the gym.
But I did.
You mean like go-go?
Yeah.
Like work out?
Yeah. Well, we can see if it's open, and if it is, we should work out. You were motivated earlier.
Yeah, and it's 2:10. Yeah. That was at like 8:50 in the morning.
And you'll feel so good afterwards.
Okay, we'll have this discussion off camera.
We're going. Alright, we're back at Court's new apartment. It's not even new anymore, I just haven't been here since she's moved in, but it's so cute, guys. I'll show you around a little. This is her kitchen. So cute. I love the color scheme here. It's like a big countertop. And this is her room with a plug included. She's sitting all cute. It's so cute. So this is her room right now. She's getting a new bed and bedspread and stuff to match, but it's really cute. Love the little plants. In this little area, I think it's adorbs. And then I love her bathroom. It's like her mirrors in here are one of my favorite parts. So cute in here. Everything is just so cute. Huh? Weigh myself? I just ate. I gotta do that in the morning when I'm skinny. It's a squeegee for a shower. That's funny, but very cute. This is just like a storage closet. Anyone needs any pads, come to Courtney's. And then this is her closet. I'm just getting real up and personal here. I don't know where the light is, but big closet. Jealous. But yeah, that's her crib. I mean, there's my rooms and stuff, but.
It smells so good.
Which one? Oh, I do too. She popped my nose on it. Yeah, I love that.
What's lemongrass for?
I don't know. I'd have to look it up.
Mmm.
Yeah, that smells bomb. Delicious. We're gonna go look around and I'll show you guys some more cool features of her place and then the gym. We'll see if I can get her to work out. So sadly the gyms are closed. I'm really salty about it. But this is her cycling room. Guys, I want to go in there so bad. I'll show you the other side. Sorry. Wait, did we really walk that far?
Yeah.
For some reason I thought it would be like right there. It's like a hotel in here. It's so big.
And the racks and stuff around the walls.
I'm really sad about this. Next time. This is the game room. It has lots of stuff, and then they have like a, what is this? Sports simulator.
It works.
That's fun. All these sport things. Let's play some sports since we can't work out. It's so cute in here, and everything smells delicious. Luxurious. This is a really cute area. So cute. I don't have to go that bad. Let's go to the bathroom. Okay, that's cute. Wow. And it smells good in here too. Outdoor entertainment. That's fun. You should use it more.
That's where we stood that one time.
Oh, up on that balcony. So cute. So I'm about to give Lila her new toy, and she's really excited. Do you want your new toy? Here you go. Oh. Do you like it? You have to investigate it first. I think she likes it. Oh, that's cute. Alright, so it is now the next day. I completely forgot to end my vlog yesterday, but I thought I'd just carry it on a little bit into today. I just got back from the gym. My hair is kind of crazy. But I'm going to be making myself I like to call it a peanut butter chocolate protein bowl. So I thought I'd show you guys how I make that. I am once again using my coconut bowl. No shame. I wash it. It's okay. So I'll show you what goes into it. I'm like so tired today. So for the base, I use the Orgain chocolate protein. I have chocolate and vanilla, so creamy chocolate fudge is the flavor, which is so good. Oh, I forgot one. Let me get it. It's right here. Okay, and then this adds like a honeycomb flavor, so it's maca root powder. And then I'm gonna add some peanut butter, and that's gonna be the base. Oh wait, and a frozen banana over there. And then on top of it, I'm gonna put strawberries, coconut, granola, and peanut butter and honey. And so I will show you once it's all done. Look at that consistency. This is the scariest part. Sometimes it just like to fall out. There we go. There it goes. Oh yeah. That's good stuff. Which is my favorite part. So I'm just gonna put some nanners in here. It's kind of like a, I don't know how to explain it. The bowl has like a higher top, so it doesn't always look cute when it's decorated because the stuff pretty much sinks all the time, but whatever. Okay. I should have smoothed that out. I didn't even think about that. Alright. I'm also not that great at decorating these. It's just kind of fun. So I just do, oh shoot. Just do whatever I'm feeling like. So we'll see if this one turns out good or not. Let's see here. Maybe I'll like layer you. Is that like cute? No. I'll put one over there. Over here. Oh. Alright, fruit is on. What's next? I need to set this up because I have such a hard time. I don't know why eating with this wooden spoon is just like makes it taste so much better for some reason. Okay, this is gonna be so good. I can already tell. I love peanut butter, so I do a hefty spoonful or two. Granola. This is Vanilla Almond by Bare Naked. I'll grab some of that. Sprinkle it over here, and then last but not least, coconut. This is fine shredded, and so it's good. Everything's sinking already. Just like to sprinkle it all on top. So now you can't really see anything, but it's still gonna be good. And then last but not least, actually, the honey. If it wants to come out, of course. I was trying to make it look cute. Looks pretty good except for that glob of honey and everything that fell, but I'll taste test it for you here in a sec. All right, let's mix it together. It's kind of melty, but so this kind of tastes like a peanut butter frosty, and it's so good. Let's taste test though. This is so good. I'm not even kidding when I say it tastes like a frosty. Try it yourself and let me know what you think. If you try it, send me pictures, like DM me pictures on Instagram or something, because it's so good. Okay, I'm gonna continue eating this. I'm gonna end the vlog here, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video.